In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Discord error message a JavaScript error occurred in the main process. First step we want to do is try and shut down Discord completely. So open up Task Manager. Then in here, what you want to do is head over to Details, click on Name to sort by the name and press D. In here you want to look for Discord, and if you have Discord open, you want to end the task. Then what you want to do is come down here and click on the little pop-up and check if you have Discord in here. If you have it, you want to right click on it and end it. After you made sure that there's no Discord opened, then what you want to do is you want to check and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, another thing you can try is search for Discord, right click, open file location, right click again and open file location. And when you see the update.exe or discord.exe, whatever it's called for you, you want to right click, properties, compatibility, and you want to activate these two. Press apply and OK and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can come down here and search for run percentage local app data percentage. Come in here and see if you have a Discord folder. If you have one, just try and delete this one. So delete this folder and clear your recycle bin. After that, you want to search for run again, search percentage app data percentage, and then you want to check if you have one in here as well. You want to delete this one and clear your recycle bin as well. And then what you want to do is see if it works. Now, if it still doesn't work after you've done all of this, the last option is simply go and reinstall Discord from the website. So you can either uninstall it down here or just delete these folders again and then go and reinstall it. But I suggest just come in here, search for Discord, click on it, uninstall, and then go to Google and reinstall Discord. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.